our point, that is Kirchhoff law. Kirchhoff law. Kirchhoff law, there are two types of Kirchhoff law. Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. Let's see what is Kirchhoff's current law and what is Kirchhoff's voltage law one by one. First, Kirchhoff's current law. This law states that the algebraic sum of the currents at a point in a junction or at a junction in a network is equals to 0. What is the statement of Kirchhoff's current law? The algebraic sum of the current at a junction in a network is equals to 0. This is the statement of Kirchhoff current law. Let's see its mathematical presentation. Algebraic sum of the current means summation of I. If I is the total current, then summation of I equals to 0. This is the mathematical presentation of Kirchhoff's law. In order to understand this, consider a circuit as shown in this figure. This figure consists of a junction which is shown by letter O, and there are the currents which are moving towards the junction, and there are the currents which are moving away from the junctions. For example, after watching this uh, circuit diagram, you will see the current I1 is moving towards the O. Then current I5 is moving away from the O. Then current I4 is moving towards junction. I3 also moving towards the junction, but I2 is moving away from the junction. Therefore, there are few sign conventions that we have to take into consideration, and these are: if current is moving towards the junction, if current is moving towards the junction, then it is considered as positive. And if current is moving away from the junction, then it is considered as negative. It means that we will put positive and negative sign to these currents. It is moving away from the junction. It means that it will have a negative value. Then I4 negative sign. Then I4, it is moving towards the junction. Therefore it is positive. I3 is also positive. Like that. Now adding them, what is the statement? Summation of I is equal to 0. We have to add all these currents and their value should be equal to 0. So I1 is positive as it is moving towards the junction. Then next I5, I2 is negative because it is moving away from the junction, minus of I2, plus I3 is positive towards the junction. I4 is also positive towards the junction. and I5 is negative because it is moving away from the junction, and this sum of the currents in a network should be equal to 0. So I1 plus I3 plus I4 equals to I2 plus I5. It means current which is moving towards the junction equals to current moving away from the junction. So this is the Kirchhoff's current law. Now we will try to see what is Kirchhoff's voltage law. First of all, we will see its statement and we will learn the Kirchhoff's voltage law by using this diagram.